Hey there, welcome to today's video. This is still Emmanuel Uchi. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how to work with templates in Microsoft Word processing. Okay. You don't need to create document from scratch. You don't need to create your letter from scratch. You don't need to create your CV from scratch. You don't need to create any kind of thing you think of designing with Microsoft Word. You don't need to create them from scratch. Now I want to walk you through on how to work with template, because you can work with any template you want to in terms of creating documents with Microsoft Word doc. Okay, so to access templates to work with, there are two ways you can do that. First is that you can go online. Okay, you can go online and research and just find nice template that you want to work with. Okay, there are platforms that offer templates and when it comes to Office application, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and other application, Excel and all that. But in this case, let's say you are looking for Microsoft Word, so you can actually go to one of the place to go to is Microsoft Office platform. Okay, this is templates.office.com. okay, this is actually the Microsoft platform. Here you find a list of Microsoft templates, both premium and free version that Microsoft has to offer. Okay, so what you need to do here is when you come to Microsoft, you might be on the home here. Let's say you're on the Microsoft.com home. Okay, so let's say you're on the Microsoft.com home, just come to Office. Okay, so from the Office you can access template. Now you don't need to pay, you don't need credit card to access any of these templates. So in this case, now let's say we are looking for Microsoft Word, so you need to scroll down. You can start with this here. These are some preview of templates here, but you can scroll down a little bit and come to Word. So let's focus on Word. You can actually find Excel template, PowerPoint template, Access and other, but here let's focus on Word. Okay, so in this case, what I want to point out to you is that anywhere you find the diamond logo means that is a premium template, and you can't access it without payment unless you have a Microsoft 365 account. You'll be able to access all these diamond templates, but regardless, you still find nice freemium templates you can work with. For example, all these ones here without the diamond are free. So if you're looking to build template, this is a nice collections to work with. Calendar, a nice view to work with. Invitation card. Okay, so you even have options to access more. Let's say you go to the Word. Now you see that on the template app, we're on the Word, we have Excel, we have PowerPoint. So you can come to category. So on the category, you can browse different categories of Word doc. You can Word doc template you can work with here. Okay, so in this case, now let's say you are trying to design a card, you can go with this. If you are trying to design flyers, you can just go, okay, let's check out flyers. Okay, so you see, first of all, you find the diamond template, then you come down, you see the freemium ones you can work with, and you see the indications. Word here means that you can access this with Microsoft Word applications. That is actually the word here. Anyone you can access with PowerPoint is going to be shown PowerPoint. For example, this one, that means if you are working on PowerPoint, this is you can download this for your PowerPoint creation. But basically, this is it. Okay, let's say you go for CV, resume and cover. Let's say you want to find a template that you want to work with. All you need to do here is just to come here. These ones are diamond templates, but if you scroll down, you see a lot of other designs of CV you can work with. Okay, so let's try to work with it. Let's say you like this and you want to maintain this design for your CV. All you need to do is just access it, and this is applicable to all free templates you want to download from the Microsoft platform. Once you are here, you click on download. Okay, it's going to download it to your system without you needing to sign up or anything. Okay, so once it's finished downloading, you just click to open. It's going to open in a protected view format, and this is not an issue. This means you can actually edit it, but if you click on enable editing, you'll be able to edit this document. Okay, so when it comes to the editing, all you need to do is just to change the words and bring in your objective and all that. Now know that if it's fainted, this heading, that this means that this write-up is in the header since it's fainted in the background. So if you activate your header section, you'll be able to edit these ones. Okay, you see, you can edit them. Is on the header section, both the design, everything is plotted on the header sections. So by just let's say you're on the body, just activate the header section and edit the header section. Once you are done, you come to the body. Here you provide your objective, your work experience, date of employment, company name, city. You put that. If you have more than one, you provide all of them. Also provide your job titles and all that. Experience again, you have like few options of experience, like how many. So if all this did not cover, or you can simply delete them. Okay, your educational background, academic and all that. So if there are more data that need to be that needs to come in, you can still add them, maintain the same look and design to create your document. So that is it about working with templates. So if you also go over here, let's go back, you'll find also more options. Let's say you also want to do like flyers. Okay, let's say you want to create like stuff like flyers with your Microsoft Word. You see, the first of all, you find the diamond and you go over here. Let's say you see this, you can download this and also maintain this design as your flyer. Downloading. So once it's downloaded, you launch. The same thing, enable editing. With this now, so this can be your flyer, not too advanced. Microsoft Word is not specifically meant for flyer, but at least you can create something that is printable and shareable. Okay, so another way you can access templates is also within your Microsoft Word doc. So let's say you are let me open a new document back. So you can also access templates when you have actually launched your Microsoft Word doc. If you come to your file, new, so you find templates here. In most cases, you find a lot of preview of template that you can just easily select here. But in case whereby you don't have your template preview, you can actually search online, and this will require you to connect to the internet. So for example, I'm connected to the internet. If I come to business, I will see a lot of template to create business documents. All these templates here are for business. I can easily create business document with these templates. Let's say let's go back to home, holidays. Let's see what holidays look like. So you can create kind of beautiful cards and all that. If you want to play around this, you have options, flyers. Okay, see previews of designs. I'm actually pulling out this template from Microsoft database of template. This is actually best for, okay, so searching from the Microsoft Word Office is actually more best. At least we're having more advanced designs and all that, and all these things you have here, you can work with them without any issues. By just simply selecting them, you are good to go. So let's say we go to let's go back to home and let's look at personal. Okay, so you can also search with keyword. Let's say you are searching for CV, you want to create a CV, type the keyword CV and you find previews of CV. Let's say you want to work with this. Okay, you select it. If this is what you want, click on create. It's going to download it and it's going to load it up on your page. Okay, just close up this and you can just edit it. Your image can come here, your passport or your image. You can come here, provide your name, your address, your location, work experience, and also you can create a one-page CV. Okay, so this is actually how you work with template. Now what you should know is that there are a lot of options for you to work with. There are a lot of options of template for you to work with, not just limited even to what you have here. So not just limited to what you have here, even though if you go online, there are other platforms. If you do your research, you also find other platforms that offer Microsoft Word template or Microsoft Office template like PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Excel. All these templates you can use to create your own document files or your own Office files. Okay, so for example, if you come to smiletemplate.com, this also offer a lot of Microsoft PowerPoint templates that you can work with. actually you require to create an account, but you have countless of access to free templates that you can download and edit them in your Microsoft Word. And also you can do your research, and that one is this the Microsoft that I showed you earlier. But you can do your research and just find nice templates that you can just work with. But just know that it's possible. You can create amazing documents, okay, by working with these templates rather than just creating the document from scratch. Okay, you might not be that creative and all that, just like me. My best option is always working with templates, and it even makes the work much faster and easier, right? So that is it for this video. Go over and experiment with working with templates. Okay, access templates online, download them online, and edit them on your Microsoft Word. Save them in your own file name and have it all. If you need to print them out and learn how to work with templates. Okay, so that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.